Hi everyone, it's Nalanie and welcome back to my channel. Today we are using an older palette that I feel a lot of people have. I think you can still get your hands on this. It's a BH Cosmetics Hanging in Hawaii 16 color eyeshadow palette. It's just a really pretty palette. I feel like the colors are just really nice. It's perfect for every day. You get a lot of neutrals, you get a little bit of corals and pinks, and you do get quite a bit of shimmer as well as mattes. So I just feel like it's a really perfect palette. I remember this being really pigmented, but I haven't really played around too much with it. So today, that's what we're gonna do. I'm eyeing this color right here. It just looks like a really pretty peachy, pinky color. So I wanna add this. Yeah, very pigmented. So I think what I'm gonna do is, let me just add a little bit of translucent powder. I'm not priming my eyes, I'm just using a little translucent powder, and just that's what we're doing. So I think we're gonna add this in the outer V. Yeah, I like that. Let's add this in the outer V and just really build up this color. Color is really nice. I don't remember if I used this color before, but once most of the color is deposited on there and I like it, then whatever is left over, I'm just going to clean it off a little bit, but not completely. And I'm just going to buff this in to this area. It's just a really easy way of avoiding any harsh lines. And then again, just running it over lightly so everything just blends out really nice. Okay, so I'm going in with that same color using a little fluffier detailing brush, and I'm just going to add this right halfway down on the lower lash. Like that. I think the color is just really pretty. So I'm going to take this shade Sandy and I'm going to use a nice little flat brush, and I want to add this right there on the center. I'm depositing most of the color right in the center, and then whatever is left over, I'm just bringing it in. And I'm gonna also add a little bit into my inner tear duct. And then whatever is left over, just bring this down right here and underneath. And I'm actually just gonna connect this down. And I'm going to stop it right in the center. I'm going to take my finger and just blend a little bit. What's ever left over on the brush, I'm just going to add it right here. And again, my finger blending it. Okay, so now I'm just going to go in with a little bit of mascara. So now I'm going to go in with a little bit of my bronzer. This is the Nalanie 05 Soleil. I like this. It just gives you a really nice glowy bronzy look. I try to avoid putting this on my forehead since there is a little bit of shimmer in here. So that's why. What I'm going to also do is I'm going to go back in with this palette. There is a pink in here, and it's this color right here, Paradise. Wait, can you see Paradise right here? Hold on, I'm not even showing it to you properly. This color right here, it's a Paradise. And I just want to add a little bit, dust this off, and I'm just going to add this as a blush. And it's very pigmented. Let's go in with this shade right here, using the same brush again, and just add a little bit right here. Okay, I'm gonna go in with this Morphe Coffee and Kissy lip liner, and I'm gonna fill my entire lips with it. Okay, so I'm just gonna blend the lip liner into my lips. Now I'm gonna go in with this NYX Powder Puff Lippy. This one is in Squad Goals. I'm just gonna take a very small amount. Okay, so this is it for this entire look. It was so quick, so easy, very, very effortless. And I don't know if it's picking up on camera, but sometimes that's like the one thing when you're filming, you're not able to really see it the way you can see it in person versus on the camera. But in person, my eyes look so awake. That shadow, just bringing it all the way, like just halfway, just really opened my eyes. The color is so pretty. Everything just blended out really nice. I mean, I'm really, really liking the way this looks. So I hope you guys enjoyed this very quick and easy video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.